Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very special video. If you can tell, it's not my regular getup. I'm actually getting ready for a trip to Disney World, my first one ever, and so had to come equipped. But this video, my channel's turning into like a Stoney Clover exclusive channel, and I swear I'm still into luck stuff too. It's just that's been the focus recently. Anyway, I wanted to share with you a very special gift that came in the mail, and then also some of my purchases from the recent Stoney Clover at Disney collections. So this came in the mail the other day. It's huge. Just take up the whole screen. This is the first marketing gift I've ever received from any company ever. And it's also maybe one of the most thoughtful gifts I've ever received ever, with the exception of like gifts from my husband. Like, I think there's gifts that my husband has given me, and then this one's like the next most thoughtful. Like, I'm just blown away. So Stoney Clover is very cool. The founders, Kendall and Libby, are very cool. And whoever is running their marketing gifting campaigns is like the smartest and the best. So there's three components to this video. One is the marketing gift, two are the things that I bought in store, and then three is the thing that came online. And so we'll talk about each of them. And so let's get into it. First of all, this box, like, can we take a moment? It's just, every detail is so cute. So cute. And then I just want to show you, like, even the inside is printed. Here, and so this is what it was like when I opened it, and I was like freaking out. You can see the classic cellophane. And so this is what was included in the gift. All of this is gifted. I did not pay for this. This is just an amazing present. So, cellophane. There was this card. It's a acrylic postcard, and it has a note from Kendall and Libby talking about, it's kind of reflective, sorry, talking about the collection when it's coming out. This one launched on February 12th, and lots of the items have started to sell out already. And so I'm like, gotta take better care of this card. It's scratching a little due to my lack of care, due to rolling around in the box when I was showing it to you. Oh. But I will take better care of this going forward. It just has some love marks now. Yeah, the collection launched on February 12th, and I actually flew down to one of the stores to go to the opening, which was a lot of fun, and hung out with friends there. Anyway, the next thing that they gave me was this small pouch. This is in the print called Ultimate Pair. So it's Mickey and Minnie and pink polka dot. And they embroidered my initials in this Disney kind of letter, and the letters are felt, kind of like the Disney hat, so it's very classic. Then they gave me some classic Minnie ears, and these are the two pairs of ears. I'm new to the Disney World, okay, and I'm doing this Disney run coming up soon. Ooh, my hair. And so these are the only two pairs of ears that I own. This one that I bought for my trip, and then these ones that were gifted to me from Stoney Clover. But they're very perfect, classic. Maybe I'll go classic Minnie ears. Super cute. Then I got the Ultimate Pair scrunchie, and this matches the small, all pink. How did they know? I love pink. And then finally, like, this item is the mini tote. Minnie, M-I-N-I, not Minnie, that they put my name on in the special Mickey letters and Minnie Mouse here. So this tote I used actually already for flying down there and going to the event. It's really spacious. It has an extra zip pocket here and really convenient for travel, this shoulder strap. So really good sized tote. Like I packed a ton. I packed like 3 different outfits for the 12 hours that I was down there, and they all fit in here really nicely. The zip top is super useful on a plane, and it has really nice gold hardware. So, and I just like the, you know, the customizable aspect to it. And they were just so thoughtful. Like, this is just so me. And so then the launch was February 12th. And so I wake up super early and I get on a plane and we're going down there, and I decide to place a really quick order online, which already came. And so when you place an order online, it comes either in a white box, or if it's a smaller order like how I placed, in the silver envelope, and it comes with a sticker on it. And I got a Minnie Mouse bow, which I'm really excited, and I'm going to peel off very carefully and save. So I'm very excited about that. I'm opening this for the first time, so we're going to get, this is like the true unboxing part of it. So your order comes with this little envelope that has all the characters on it, and a postcard, and I got Goofy. So I'll be giving that to one of my Disney friends, because I'm not really a goofy gal. And then I got Minnie sticker, and I will keep this one because I am a Minnie girl. So there's that. Cute, cute. And the small order that I placed, just because I was a little bit worried about patches selling out, I got 2 patches of the bow patch, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. So this is just the mini bow, and it's in the glitter varsity print. So here, if I could just open it one more time. So you can see it has glitter around the outside, and it kind of has that little chenille sort of material, the little loops. And then the other thing I got, which I'm really excited that it came on time for my trip, I'm putting this over here, is the eye mask. And this is in the print Dynamic Duo. And it comes in this silk pouch that says Disney Stoney Clover at the bottom. And it's just a little silk eye mask. And so I think this will be really cute in the hotel. I have some blue and white PJs that would match this really well. And it's just a whole vibe. I love an eye mask while traveling, because hotels always have like weird things, like weird lights that like you can't figure out how to turn off, that are just, so this will come in key, and it'll be really cute for my trip. Okay. Love like a detail situation. Then I went down to Stoney Clover after 7 a.m. when the collection launched, and the store opened at 10, and I ordered a few things. Part of this was I took home right then, and then part of it was mailed to me. When we got in line, we were given this plan nearby where you can kind of check all the things that you want, and then someone in the store would help you kind of pick them out. By the time I got into the store, this wasn't really the system that was going on, but I'm sure it worked earlier on. All right. Let's start with the smaller bag, even though I know this big bag's the exciting one, but the small bag's exciting too. Okay. Let's get into it. Okay. Oh, I put my sunglasses in here. I think, you know, like at a certain part of the day where things are kind of chaotic and you're like, let's just set things aside. Okay. I'm going to quit saying that. Sorry. I got the matching phone case, an ultimate pair, which is so cute. So that'll be fun at the parks. There were these exclusive, oh, well, this is everything together. Exclusive Park and Beach bracelets, and also exclusive Audrey necklaces. So let's kind of pull these apart. These were the Park and Beach bracelets that were exclusive to the Disney launch. Very cute. And then this is a exclusive Audrey Limoges necklace that is just exclusive to Stoney Clover, and it's in all the Stoney Clovers. And then this one was exclusive to the launch, the red one, and is only in, I think, Palm Beach and Newport stores. So those were the little pickups. So cute. And then I got an extra bracelet actually for Audrey, so my friend who makes necklaces. There you go. Okay, and the other thing I got, oh yeah, I got the Friends Forever scrunchie. This is the red scrunchie, and just this afternoon, actually, I ordered the red fanny pack. So actually I have more coming, but you have to film this video at some point. And as you can see, I'm just a little bit obsessed. Even though I'm not a Disney person, I'm like a Stoney Clover person, but I'm going to Disney and I'm really into having all of these details while I'm there. So then I got this Ultimate Pair fanny pack, and I'm planning to customize it myself by just gluing on this patch in the middle there. So that'll be really cute. That'll be a little project for later, my little DIY. And then the thing that I got customized in store, also in the same print. Can you tell I have a favorite print? And which print do you think that is? Is a backpack. And so these backpacks are really good for the parks. They are huge. They fit everything. And it's just like really convenient, easy thing for like a parks trip. And so since we're going to Disney World and since we're going to be spending time at the theme parks and there's going to be, you know, stuff and knickknacks and things that you need, I thought this would be really helpful to have and then really funny to make my husband carry. So I got it customized with a little bow right here and my name across the top. This is my first Stoney Clover backpack, even though I have many Stoney Clover items. Huge white inside, and I think this front pocket is stuffed. Wow, I cleaned my room before I hopped on making this video, and now it's like a little bit of a mess again. Okay. Oh, I was gonna show you the inside. Cute. And so while we were there, like a bunch of my friends from Instagram were also there, and I got a couple of extra little goodies I wanted to share with you. They had set up kind of like a main street in front of the store, like Main Street USA Disneyland, and they had all these treats and snacks and fun things like that. They had pins, which is I said it was my first launch. I got my name written on it, so that was really cute. Had it on the fanny pack. And then my friend Rachel, who does like pop sockets. Do I have a pop socket down here? I thought I did. Oh, my friend Rachel makes things like this, Castle crystals and sunglasses. She gave me this cute little Mickey keychain for my trip. So I think I could just put it on here. Yeah. So that'll be so cute. Adorable. Rachel's literally the sweetest and most talented person. And then my friend Tabitha, who's like a planner person expert, was handing out these little notebooks, which are sticker savers. So if you're into Stoney Clover, you're into saving stickers, people who follow me on here for Chanel and Louis Vuitton are gonna be like, this woman has seriously lost it. But listen, it's fun, okay? So she made this sticker, which is a Stoney Clover pouch, but also this book where you can put, it's like wax paper, you can put all of your stickers and kind of save them as like a memory book. So no white space stickers. She was handing these out, so you should go check her out, especially if you're into planner stuff. So cute. And this is made to look like a Stoney Clover notebook too. Very cute. Okay, I think that's everything. This is my one and only Disney video. I mean, if you're into Disney stuff, I am going next week. So let me know if you want me to, I don't know if I can vlog. I could try. Are we into that? I mean, is it too much? All right. If you made it this far, thanks for coming. I hope that was fun for you. If you're here from Instagram, you're like, yes, girl, I love it. And if you're my normal YouTube crowd, you're like, what in the world? So I'm going to pick the sticker off my envelope and put it in my book. Very exciting. And I hope everyone else is having a great day and a wonderful weekend. And thanks for sticking with me. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later, hopefully next time, about Chanel. My SA texted me and told me that I got promoted as a client. And so I need to do some research and figure out what that means. if anyone knows, I should have started with this. If anyone knows the different client levels, like I got promoted to Elite Plus. So I don't know what that means, but I'm very excited about it. So, okay, that's it. Like this video if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below your favorite Stoney Clover print, or that you would like to see more Chanel videos. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.